We just got hit with a small tropical storm. I was not expecting this. Good timing on getting this canopy done. It was finished yesterday. We're getting our first hard rain. We just got hit with a small tropical storm. Well, I don't know how small it is. This formed just south of the Keys, and we're getting hit pretty hard. I'm drenched. So much water on me. I had a canopy that I had just built for the camper van, and that flew off. Unfortunately, it got caught in a neighbor's fence. So I was able to, it didn't hit anybody, it didn't break any windows or cars or anything, and I was able to grab all the poles and the canopy part and everything. It's starting to get windy, so I'm going to go back and see if I need to do anything else to the camper van. I was not expecting this. So I covered up the van with a tarp. That's where the canopy was. The foundation and the poles are still there, but the canopy was gone. This is what's left of the canopy. I had to go ahead and take it all apart, and I've leaned it up against the wall here so it won't fly off. It hasn't stopped raining. It's been about 3 hours since we had the worst gust of wind. Everything's getting flooded. It's still raining. It's not storming and windy anymore. I'm editing the video of today's footage from Tropical Storm Gordon. I want to end the video here, but I wanted to let you know that I'll keep you informed and let you know what I decide to do this hurricane season. I had a terrible time here in South Florida last year during Hurricane Irma, and I don't know what I'm going to do this season. I was planning on getting some work done here the next few weeks, but it looks like I may be leaving because I don't want to go through these storms again. I'll share what happened to me during Hurricane Irma last year in another video. I'll edit that one separately. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. And for those of you that have sent me messages concerned why I didn't put a video up yesterday for Cool Cat Confessions, I've had a lot going on, but I wanted to give you this update so you have an idea of what's going on here in my life in South Florida with 2018 hurricane season. Thanks for watching. I will be posting more videos on the hurricane season and the storms that come through, or if I decide to leave, where I go and what I decide to do about my house. So if you want to follow along, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I post those videos. I'm going to be posting events as they occur more frequently, particularly during this storm season, so you can see how I fare up in the van, the decisions that I make. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.